Back. So in today's topic I'm going to explain head element. What is head element in the HTML and how we are going to use and what are the elements we can use inside the head, we will see. So first thing, head element is a container for the following elements. That means we have seen in the previous session, whenever we are using input type is equal to text or input type button, we are using inside a form. So now whenever you are using a style element or title element, meta element, link element, script element, these things we need to use inside the head element. So what is a title? So title element. So title element defines the title, right? So how to define a title? So we just need to use title element and write the title. And what is the purpose of this title, we will see. So let's go back here. I'll take the brand new page here. Let's save it as examples. I'll save it as title.html. Okay, or I can say head.html. I will save it as head.html. So we know first we will create like HTML and then we will use body, right? And then we are using head section here. So in this head section, the topic is about the head section. What are the elements I can use inside the head elements? So let's say first thing is title. I'm using title. So what is happening? Let's say login page. What is login page? So I'm giving a title as login page, and in the title we are seeing this. Now let's say in the head one, this is my first login page. So there are two elements here. Title element is inside head and h1 is inside the body. So let's save this and run this. So if you see that on the top you are seeing login page as the title. Whenever you can see on the browser, on the top header, it is saying as a login page. So but heading is inside the body. This heading is h1 is inside the body. For example, in future if I want to open this page directly, so take an example, you search for Facebook, right? You search for Facebook, and what is the title here? Facebook login or sign up, login or sign up. So there is an option called bookmark here. When you see the star symbol here, that is called bookmark. So you are clicking on this, you are saving, right? Now if you open, it is actually showing Facebook login or sign up. That means whenever you are adding that page as a bookmark, it is picking up the title. So similarly, let's bookmark our page. So what is our page? Login page. So if you see here, I'm clicking on this, done. So if you see here, the next bookmark item is login page. So the next bookmark item is login page. So whenever you are using bookmarks, the title is getting captured in the bookmark. So that is why we need to indicate a proper title when we are creating a web page. Let's go back to the next topic. The next topic is style element. So we have seen in the previous sessions, so whenever I want to apply some styles, I am using style element, right? So copy this, I can go here. Style element should be always inside the head element. So let's see here h1, I'm saying some colors here for paragraph like this. So for body background powdered blue, h1 color red, paragraph blue. So let me insert a small paragraph. This is paragraph. Okay, save this and open the page. So refresh this. There might be some error. Aqua. So this is body background color h1. Let's save this. Why we are not getting background color? Let me write down. Okay, body will say background color aqua and then you say inside the body we should say h1 color colon red. So this is how we define the styles. This is how we define the styles. So whenever we are using style element should be always inserted inside the head element. Then next topic is link. So here link element defines the relation between the current document. In the previous examples we have seen how to use link relation equal to style sheet, href is equal to my style. So this relation file, this link element we also need to use inside the head element. So let's see the example. So this is my head section, inside the head section I am using link relation equal to style sheet, href equal to my style.css. So the same page, what you can do, we can save this and we can go to my styles.css. In my styles I am just applying background and I will apply some h1. So color colon red. So let's save this and go back to the page. Let's see this. So here we can see red color text and some paragraph. So this is how we need to use link element inside the head section. Then we will see the next element, script element. So we already seen this script element. Script is basically whenever you are using JavaScript, okay, we will use this element. So whenever we learn JavaScript and how to use uh, JavaScript, we will see, or we can discuss just as a sample. I'll just show you how to use this, right? So here I'll go back to here to my code. In the relation under the link element I'll use the script. So here inside this I'm going to write some JavaScript. Let's say alert. So I can say welcome to JS demo, JavaScript demo. Script type is equal to text slash JavaScript. So let's save this and go back to our page and let's refresh. So we are seeing an alert here, welcome to JS demo. So whenever we want to write some JavaScript, either in the external JavaScript file or internally, we need to use script element, and script element we need to place inside the head section. Script element should be placed inside the head section. Now let's go back to the last topic, that is meta element. So meta element is used inside the head section. So what is this meta element? It is saying that there are different types of meta elements, right? Meta elements, and what are the attributes we are using: name, keywords, and what is a name attribute, and what are the values we are giving. So what is content attribute? So let's see how we can use this, right? So let me copy this and go back to this section. So inside the head section I am going to use my meta tag. So no need to use everything as a just demo purpose. I am going to show you description and the maybe just learn about the description element. Okay, so let's go here, let's save this. And how we are going to use meta element? See, let's go to a page called search for something like apple.com or Apple iPad pencil. So when you search something in the Google, it gives you some title and the description. So I'm using some third-party plugin here. Let's say structured data. So if you see structured data testing, what it does, let me open this page. Okay, we will see. So basically the page has some information like the title or the description and different information, right? So let's see those information. Product, Yeah. So if you see this, you are getting some description here. What is this description? So it is talking about Apple Pencil, right? And what is the URL if you want to access that Apple Pencil, or what kind of type it is? It is a product, okay? What is the logo and what is the URL? So these are all coming from the meta tags. So let's see, right click on the page, click on view page source, right click on the page, click on view page source and search for a meta, right? So here if you see, they have all the properties like property, OG description and content equal to something. So let's do the same thing for our login page or the test page what we are creating. So here when I save this, I'll get some meta tag here. How to see that? Right click, view page source. So now you can see our page is also having some meta description. Our page is also having some meta description. So this some syntax mistake is there here. So let's go here. Meta name equal to description, content equal to, yeah, I think it's fine. Or I can just build this. Since I copied, there might be some mistakes. Name equal to description, content equal to something. Let's copy this content from here. So this is how we define the meta tags, either for author, description, when to use author, when to use the keywords we will see in future, but any meta tags need to be inserted in the head section. Yeah, so now we got proper way, meta name equal to description, content equal to the content. So this is how we use the head element and the different elements inside the head section. Okay, thanks for watching.